Hello everyone, welcome to African Not Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we are going to make prawn pasta, spicy prawn pasta we're going to make. So we have our prawns here, king prawns. We have our spaghetti cooked here. We have olives, we have onion, spring onion and garlic here. And we have cherry tomatoes, we have courgettes and grated carrots, and here we have our rice epice, and then we have rosemary, thyme, bay leaf and lemon here that we are going to use. And here we have our chili powder here that we're going to use. We have also our olive oil that we're going to use with it, so please stay tuned. So here in this pan we're going to add olive oil, that much, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to add the onion, garlic and the spring onion in there together. Also our cherry tomatoes also there, our thyme, rosemary, bay leaf and our epice in there as well. So we're going to mix all this together. Yeah, it smells nice, beautiful. Adding the carrots in there and also the pepper, chili powder in there, olives also in there. Okay. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt in there like that. See? And mix it. Okay, I'll leave it to cook for about 2 minutes, and we can add our prawns. I'm adding my prawns there, and also my lemon juice. Squeeze it. Yeah, make sure there's no seeds in it. Also squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. That's it. Oops, sorry. Okay. So I'm going to leave this one to cook a bit for about 2 minutes, and then we can add our pasta in it. So now you can see the prawns have cooked. So I'm going to add my spaghetti or pasta in there. Okay. To mix it. So this is our pasta, the spicy prawn pasta. So I'm going to add the courgettes because I want the courgette to be very crispy, crunchy, nicely. So I'll leave it for about 2 minutes and we'll be ready. Our spicy prawns pasta is done. It took us about 20 minutes. The whole thing 20 minutes was quick, easy, and simple. Let's see. So we're going to have this for dinner. Sorry, for lunch. Sorry, it's for lunch. So we hope to see you again, and I hope this was helpful. Try and you will taste it. You will see how nice that is. So we'll see you soon. Give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And bye.